Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I apologize for the background noise. I got the wall shaker air conditioner on because it's 82 degrees here in Clearwater, Florida at 6 a.m. in the morning. I can't believe it's still hot, and humidity is through the roof. Okay, so much for the weather report. We're going to now test this power adapter, supply, inverter, do it everything that I got from Iron Snow, made by Geartist. And you can see my previous video of its capabilities. Puts out AC sine wave, puts out several different voltages, including USB, fast charge or quick charge USB. Has a cooling fan on this side, and this is the one of the ways you can charge it. I fully charged it a few minutes ago, topped it off, and I'm going to use my power monitor here to measure the power that's being consumed. I plugged in, the simplest thing I could find to plug in for the AC is a lamp, which is right here, which I will turn over so that it can dissipate the heat a little better. It's got a standard 60-watt bulb. I normally use LEDs, but they don't draw much power, so it would take a while to drain this thing. This thing has, as advertised, 80,000 milliwatt amp hours battery capacity. It's a lithium battery. Also, I have my USB tester. See if I can get it up to the camera so you can see it. So there's a display right here. I did a review of this. It will show you the voltage and the current drawn and the power usage. And then I have, which I've also showed in previous videos, I have a variable USB load. You can vary it with this pot here, and it has a cooling fan for the load resistors. Actually it's a load device, it's not a resistor. So that's what I'm going to use to simulate like a laptop, not a laptop, but like a tablet or your cell phone. And it gives a constant load, so it's going to be providing a load on the USB. The light 60-watt bulb is going to be providing a load on the AC. And we're going to see how long this battery will last. I'm not going to run it all the way down. That's not something you should do on batteries. So I'm going to run it down to about half, which I think is 4 bars. That would be 2 bars. See how long that takes. If that takes a long time, then I'll stop there. If it came down pretty fast, then I'll go down to 1 bar, and then I'll stop. So that's the plan. I'm going to hook it up right now. Hook up this USB port again. Trying to figure out which way it goes. There we go. So that's going to be ready to go. You probably won't be able to see it, but when I turn on this display, it's upside down. We'll show the voltage and current draw. This will also show the some from various things, and I'll try to show you. Let me, matter of fact, let me zoom in, see if I can do that. Somewhere on this. There we go. That's a little better. I don't know if you're going to see this LCD display or not. We'll turn it on. Okay. Okay, now wait a minute. I may have messed up here. Maybe I can only run USB or AC, because this is not coming on. So let me turn this off, and then we push this button, and that comes on. So I can't do, well, let me see if I can turn both on at the same time. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I had to turn the AC on, then turn the DC on. I had to turn both of them on. So AC is running right now. It's not drawing any wattage. I don't know if you can see. Let me get the camera. Yeah, top number is wattage. The bottom number is time that it's been running. So I'll turn the lamp on. The lamp is on now. It's drawing 84 watts. It's a 60 watt bulb. Okay, so that's running. And this is running. Again, you can't see a display. You'll have to trust me. It's upside down. It says voltage wise it's 5.09. Current wise, I set the little potentiometer on the load so that it's approximately 1 amp. And it's using 14 watts right now. So I got both of those loads on there. Let me move this around a little bit. And I'll periodically check this and see what we're doing. I've got some other things that I can look at here on this. Maybe I can look at. I lost the manual for this. And I couldn't find it online, so I'm learning how to use it again. Okay, there's volts, 108.5. And I guess, and it's time also. There's the frequency, it's 60 hertz. And there's the amps, 0.766 amps. And that is, I have no idea. It's a 1, whatever it is. I'll have to get my telescope out and look at that. It's got a bunch of fine nomenclature down here and I can't read it. And like I say, I lost the dadgum manual. So it pushes again. We're back to, it's drawing 84 watts. That's the maximum it's drawn since I turned it on. So we're going to let it rip. We got 5 bars. I thought it was 4, but it's 5 bars. And this, I probably shouldn't use that because if this turns off, I'll lose this time maybe. I'm going to write down the time. So I'm already almost 3 minutes into it. And I lost my notebook. Well, here's a little piece of paper. I'll write down when 3 minutes ago was. Look at my watch here. Oh, no, okay. I was going to say the battery in my watch is dead. Oh, it's down to 8%. Well, I don't want to look at that. On the clock there, it's 6:04. So I'm going to say I started at 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. So that's when the start is. I'll find my notebook. I have dozens and dozens of notebooks because I can't remember anything, so I write it down, and then I can't even remember what I did with the notebook. So I'll find my notebook, and then I'll periodically come in here and check to see what the status is. This is really a nice load for testing because it has this cooling filter. So that's pretty cool. All right, that's it. We're going to let it rip. And if you have any other suggestions of how to test this, let me know. So we're testing the AC output using the 60 watt bulb and the USB output using this variable load on the USB. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll have the results either later today or tomorrow. Bye-bye.